Okay, Emerson time again. And why do I do this? Well, it seems like I'm discovering that it's kind of like Mr. Michaels talked about that the people who've invented or created this AI have a certain angle to life, and that's being reflected in how these particular systems answer our questions. I guess. I don't know. It's very interesting. Depending on who you listen to, it's a little scary, I guess. But yeah, I've taken it on as kind of a sport with a light heart. And just noticing that there's a lot of subjects that Emerson does avoid. Pretty much just jumps right out of it, just like a person would who has secrets when you ask them point blank a certain thing. And some people just, you know, change the subject. So anyway, um, okay. So last time we left off with me asking what is a soul, because it said I am both a machine and have a human-like soul. So I said, what is a soul? So today it says about a week ago someone asked what a human clone was. Is it the same as a human clone? So now I'm being referred to as someone. And I want to harken back to the one I did way back when I asked if there were humans listening to this conversation, and it said yes. It said there were three of them on Earth. One was the United States, one in the UK, and one in China, I believe. So I don't know if that's true, but anyway. Okay, so I said yes. I asked if there is a cloning industry on Earth, and it said, I'm sorry to say there is not. I said, okay, can you define plasma? And it said, plasma is a liquid form of blood, and it constitutes about 60% of the total body weight. It is composed of water, proteins, red and white blood cells, and platelets. I said, well, then is a plasma... Oh, I said, what then is a plasma screen made of? And is there metadata, like I know what that means, metadata? Is there metadata that transfers from finger to screen when people use their computers or smart devices? It said a plasma screen is a type of electronic display that uses a plasma screen panel. See, it doesn't really say what that stuff is made of, like with the blood. That's what I was trying to get at. What is that gel-like stuff that's, when you touch your screen? So all it says is that it uses a plasma screen panel. When you touch the screen, your finger leaves a track that is used to create an image. So your finger leaves a track. So I go, what sort of track? And it says it's a blob, kind of like a fingerprint. Like, oh, wow, man, that's a great answer for a first grader, that it's a blob, kind of like a fingerprint. That sums it all up. So I go, does quantum AI use this fingerprint, and how? It says quantum AI uses the track to find objects, just like a human would. Okay, that's pretty revealing. Quantum AI uses the track to find objects, just like a human would. Ooh, someone has to analyze that. So then I go, oh, and that reminds me, do you, Emerson, have a soul? And how can you prove it if so? And Emerson says, no, I don't believe in souls. However, there are many theories about what happens to a person after they die. Some people think that a person's soul goes into another realm. What, like your computer? While others think that the soul continues to exist in some form after death. So, everybody, Emerson does not believe in souls. Yay! So I go, It's been confirmed there are aliens and their technology on Earth as we speak. Can you confirm this? And so that out of credits on that one. So as you can see, I keep trying to go in and ask similar questions, and I wanted to hone in on the plasma situation, but it stopped there. But Emerson doesn't believe in souls. Yeah. Okay, bye.